How to share files in OneDrive. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open OneDrive on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. After that, simply click on My Files on the left side. After you click on My Files on the left side, simply click on Share button, which is the arrow-like icon in the file you want to share. Then you can add a name, group, or email in here. I'm simply adding email. Then press on Send. After that, your file will be shared to that person. You can also click on the lock-like icon at the bottom left corner of your screen, which is below anyone with the link. After you click on it, click on Links at the top. After you've clicked on Links at the top, click on Create, and link will be created. Click on Copy Link, and then you can share the link with anyone and they will get a file. This is how to share files in OneDrive. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.